In this video, I'm going to show you how to play the Nintendo Switch 2 with 2 players. Now to do this, you guys could actually use the 2 Joy-Cons that the Nintendo Switch does provide. So that one player could use one Joy-Con and then the other player could use the other Joy-Con. Here's what you need to do. You need to go to the main menu of the Nintendo Switch 2, then go to the bottom menu and select over here where it does say controllers. Then you want to go ahead and press on change grip / order right over here. And now once we have this screen, here's what we need to do. We need to go ahead and disconnect both the Joy-Cons over here. And remember, we're going to be using one Joy-Con per person. So let's go ahead and put our Switch here. And now what we need to do is we need to go ahead and grab one of our Joy-Cons. And let me show you guys how to actually do the hand motion. So let me go ahead and put this to the side at the moment. So look, we need to go ahead and do it like this. So copy my hand motions over here. What you want to do is you want to press on these top 2 buttons right over here. And I apologize, my ring light was kind of getting in the way. But yep, as you're able to tell, the red Joy-Con is connected. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing with the blue Joy-Con. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and press on these 2 buttons right over here. To go ahead and press on that, and then there you go. It will now register these Joy-Cons as individual players. So that means that one player could use this and then another player could use this controller. And one really neat feature is that the lights over here will tell you what player you are. So you can have up to 4 controllers connected to one Nintendo Switch. So this one is player 1. That is why it has one light over here. And the blue Joy-Con, you will notice that it has 2 lights, and that is because that is player number 2. And if you were to have like 3 or 4 more controllers, then one of them would have 3 dots, and then the last one would have 4 dots, obviously. So yeah, once you have this, then you guys can go ahead and exit out of the menu. And then from here, you guys could actually play games that do support 2-player. One prime example would be Mario Kart World. So for example, Mario Kart World is a game that will easily allow you to play 2 players on the Nintendo Switch 2. So look at this, guys. Here we are in the main menu, and where it says multiplayer, you want to make sure that you do set it to 2. So let me go ahead and put the tablet closer. Let's go ahead and press on 2, just like so. And then you guys could actually pick between Grand Prix and all these other features over here. Now, the thing is, not every game is the same. Some games will allow you to play with 2 players. Some games, unfortunately, you cannot. And some games, what they require to do is they require each player to have 2 Joy-Cons at a time or a controller. So again, it really depends on what game you're trying to play. For example, in Minecraft, you aren't able to just use one Joy-Con like this and play it. You will need 2 Joy-Cons per person or a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. So just keep that in mind, guys. But thankfully, with Mario Kart World, you only need the Joy-Cons that do come with the Switch. You don't need to purchase anything else, which is definitely pretty cool. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually play together. And of course, if you want to, you could put the tablet inside of your Nintendo Switch 2 dock, and then it is going to project this onto the TV, and then you guys could also play like that as well. Or the Nintendo Switch 2 does have like a stand on the back of the tablet, so you guys could actually use that as well. And it really is up to you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.